Hey guys, welcome to this really poorly filmed video because I have the lawn guy outside and I'm using an old camera because all my other cameras are out of storage. But we got a pretty big package in the mail. Oh my gosh, that doesn't even fit in the frame. So as you can see, it is a very large package. The camera I'm using is my old Sony Handycam. I really hope someday I can buy another one, but right now I'm saving my money. Just Sony Handycams are really handy. I now use a CyberShot, but the CyberShot doesn't like to record for long periods of time for some reason. Anyways, I got this new Fox helmet because I wanted to start riding more on tracks, and my old helmet is like really beat up and 10 years old, and when I got it 10 years ago it was already used, so it's just has some rubber falling out of it, and it's just not the cleanest feeling when I put it on my head even after I try to wash it. So I thought I'd get a new Fox helmet because I really like the Fox brand, and just this was on sale. Remember, always cut toward yourself. It's very safe. Don't listen to me, by the way. So yeah, this was cheaper than all their other helmets because I think it's probably discontinued. Okay. Oh, there's a box within the box. Can I get it out? Yes, I can. But that... Okay. Is it upside down? It's upside down. So this is it's not a sturdy box by any means, but it's cool that they have their logo and the, I guess, model of the helmet. All their helmets had some very unique names that I couldn't keep up with. So let's see. Obviously I've never seen this in real life, so got a little padding over here. Not sure how helpful that is. The visor isn't screwed on, so I can't. Alright, so I'm not sure if I'll ever use this bag or not, but it's cool that it comes with it. It's very, it's like thin but also soft. It's interesting. It's free, so I'll take it. Thank you. Oh man. Okay, so yeah, this already looks pretty cool. I didn't realize how much the color transitioned into yellow. That's pretty cool. I just thought the whole thing was green. Aesthetically, very cool. Quality feels like an actual helmet. Okay, so it has a lot of vents. My old one, I don't think, has these side ones here. And that definitely looks like it lets a lot more air through than my old one. Has these up here. Try to get some air to your brain. It smells brand new. So it has the Fox logo on top, but actually this is supposed to be an F, and then the Fox is the O, and then X on the side. Lawnmower's back. Anyways, more in the bag. We have user manual, and of course the visor, which is very useful when you live in Florida or just anywhere where there's sun. Oh, you know what? The font might look different because the visor actually includes the rest of it. It's not underneath the visor, which I guess kind of makes sense, because why would you write it without the visor? Okay, the odd thing is it seems to just clip on, so you're not able to adjust it at all. There we go. Yeah, so then you can really see the X and the F for Fox on it. But that color coding, I did not realize it was gonna be, like, have such a cool transition on it. I also just love how smooth it feels because it's not all beat up and 15 years old. So the inside padding seems really thick, and you can take it out to clean it. I'm not going to do that just now because I'm not sure if it's going to be as difficult as my old helmet. They do have this snap on, like, the, I don't know what you would call this. It's like a safety belt, but for your neck or under your chin. Well, it definitely fits. Hang on. Ignore my hair, but it definitely fits. It's very tight for a large. It doesn't feel as soft as my old fly racing helmet, but that could also be because it's 15 years old and the pads are worn out. So, yeah, I'm happy it fits tightly because I was worried it might be too large, but yeah, since it's not, I haven't worn it for that long, it's not, the pads aren't as crushed in, I guess. So I'm happy with it. It looks cool. I'm trying to look around the camera. Another thing I like about these Sony Handycams is that you can see yourself on them. The top doesn't seem as padded as I would hope. You can, I think that's to let air through, because there's like a pad in the middle and then on each side of it there's no padding, so you can like feel the hard roof of it. But I guess that's to try to get air to your head. I believe I got this for $140, whereas all the other ones are like $190. You know, you can get the off-brand helmets for like $120. All the youth sizes are obviously a lot cheaper, but I'm happy with it. I'm happy that kind of matches my ATV, and I will see you guys in the next video. Maybe I'll post some ATV stuff. Just a random thing for my channel. I've also been getting slightly into radios. This is a new mobile CB radio actually, but maybe I'll be making some videos on radios. If there's anything you guys have ever been curious about radios, I've kind of looked into all of it a little bit. Thanks for watching, and for more guns, gear, and random crap like this, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.